Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start now. Power off completely, not sleep. Once off, press and hold the power button to turn the machine on and immediately prepare to tap the BIOS key shown or listed in your manual. You use a wired keyboard when possible because USB initialization can delay key detection. If Windows boots too fast, disable fast startup. That prevents skipping the firmware. Keep fingers ready on ESC, F2, F10, F12, or delete since manufacturers vary, so anticipate the simple key press. Once power is applied, the post stage is your window. Tap the BIOS key repeatedly rather than holding it down because repeated presses catch quick firmware pulls. If the single key doesn't work, try manufacturer combos like FN plus F2 or Shift plus F2 on some laptops. Consult the boot splash text for hints. Alternatively, from within Windows, go to Settings, Recovery, Restart Now, and choose UEFI firmware settings to enter BIOS without timing hassles. This ensures reliable. Once inside the BIOS or UEFI, you navigate with arrow keys or mouse depending on the interface. Make deliberate changes and avoid random tweaks. When done, choose Save and Exit or press the designated hotkey such as F10 to commit settings. Otherwise, changes are discarded. If you cannot enter firmware because a password or key fails, power down and perform a CMOS reset or use the motherboard's recovery jumper as a final troubleshooting step. That will restore defaults and let you re-enter the BIOS.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.